If you want to achieve miraculous results, big goals to happen in your life, there's only two decisions that you need to make. So stay tuned in this video. I'll share with you what are those two decisions. My name is Vitaly and I've been obsessed with helping as many people as possible to achieve financial freedom through cryptocurrency. And recently, I've been reading a book that is called The Miracle Equation by Hal Elrod. I highly recommend to read this book, and in it he describes the only two decisions that you need to make in order to get your big goals. You know, the ones that seems impossible, right? Too big. And how to make them go from impossible to improbable to actually possible, probable, and inevitable, that you actually reach those goals. You see, whatever your big goal is, okay, this goal you have the desire for, you know, that you put smile on your face, you can actually reach that goal if you have the desire. Now, the first decision you need to make is to have unwavering faith. When you have unwavering faith, this belief that absolutely it is possible, absolutely you can make it happen, this is very important decision, okay? Whether you want to reach a certain sales revenue target, a certain net worth, a certain lifestyle, you want to start a business, you want to get into the best shape of your life, or to get the man or a woman of your dreams, it starts with having this unwavering faith. And faith is going to test you, right? When you have these obstacles and different things that come up, that it seems like things are not actually going in that direction, this is where your faith is actually going to be tested, okay? And when you have unwavering faith, it doesn't really matter what is happening, what is the obstacles, what is the challenge. None of that matters because you make the decision. It's going to happen no matter what. And the second decision that you must make at the same time is to put it extraordinary effort. Okay? In other words, taking massive action. It's not enough to be meditating and thinking about $1 million check to come into your door. It's not gonna happen. You can have all the faith in the world, but you need to combine it with another decision to make an extraordinary effort. Now, this is not a regular effort. This is not let's try and see how it goes type of effort. This is not the type of effort that you are like dipping your toes in the water and see if it's gonna work or not. This is an extraordinary effort, meaning that you give everything that you have got. And only when you make this decision to give everything you've got and maintain unwavering faith, that's when miracles can start happening in your life. Those big goals that you think are maybe impossible, they are scary, they're like, oh my gosh, this is like such a big miracle if this will happen. You'll actually see that when you do that. And here is the formula, here is the mantra that I wanted to write down right now after watching this video. Decide what is this miracle that you want to achieve, what is this miraculous result, and put it in a paper. The following: I am committed to maintain unwavering faith that I will, and put in your goal, that I will make $1 million a month, that I will find the love of my life, that I will get in the best shape of my life. Whatever it is that your goal is, put in that I'm committed to maintain unwavering faith that I will reach your sales target, and put in forth extraordinary effort until I do. No matter what, there is no other option. So write it down. I am committed to maintain unwavering faith that I will ... What is your goal? And put in forth extraordinary effort until I do. No matter what, there is no other option. And when you combine those two decisions, unwavering faith and extraordinary effort, you will see that miracles will start to happen in your life. I've applied this formula myself when I barely was making $1,000 a month as a bank teller, and I started having this faith that I could reach $20,000 per month, and I put in extraordinary effort for hours and hours every day without questioning my goal until it actually become a reality and it happen. And it can happen for you as well. So I really hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. I definitely recommend you read the book, The Miracle Equation, and I'm looking forward to share with you more wisdom and insights in the next videos.